Have you ever wondered how computers understand images? It's a fascinating process, and the key to unlocking this mystery lies in what are known as image features. Image features are unique, identifiable elements within an image that carry significant information about the image's content or structure. They are the cornerstone of various computer vision and image processing tasks, helping to simplify, analyze, and interpret images. Their function is crucial in applications such as image recognition, classification, matching, tracking, and even reconstruction. Now let's dive into the different types of image features. Firstly, we have edges. These are sudden changes in image brightness that often indicate the boundaries of objects within an image. Edge detection algorithms latch onto these transitions and identify them as features. Secondly, we have corners or interest points. These are the points in an image where two or more edges meet, or where there is a significant variation in the gradient direction. Corners are often seen as robust features for image matching and alignment because they represent points of high information content. Then we have blobs or regions of interest. These are areas in an image that differ in properties such as brightness or color from the surrounding regions. Blob detection is key in identifying and extracting these regions as features. Next up, textures. This refers to the repetition of a pattern or the structured arrangement of pixels in an image. Through texture analysis, regions with similar patterns or structures can be identified, which is useful in classification tasks. Contours are another type of image feature. They are continuous curves that follow along the edge of an object within an image. Contours are useful for shape analysis and object detection and recognition. Now let's talk about histograms of oriented gradients, or HOG. These are descriptors that capture the direction and magnitude of edges. HOGI descriptors are extensively used in object detection, especially for human detection in images. Then we have scale invariant feature transform, or SIFT features. These features are invariant to image scale, rotation, and are partially invariant to changes in illumination and 3D viewpoint. This makes them useful for tasks that require robustness to changes in scale, rotation, and illumination, such as image matching and object recognition. Lastly, we have speeded up robust features, or SURF. These features are similar to SIF features, but they are designed to be faster to compute. They are also used for image matching and object recognition. In essence, image features play a critical role in simplifying the complexity of image data. They enable algorithms to process and understand images more efficiently by focusing on the most informative parts of an image. The world of images is a complex one, but thanks to image features, computers can navigate it with relative ease.